Yeah.
My niece turned down a very high paying job with one of the very top tech companies for the same reason. She
Yeah.
said, I'd rather stay where I am to have a work balance. That pandemic opened up for people the opportunity to have their cake and eat it too, to
Yeah.
have an opportunity to be with your family. And nobody has a problem going into work occasionally. It's nice to go to the office on occasion,
Yeah. It's
but
nice to
to
have the choice.
but to be told that you have to be there and you're doing good work, because that is something that a lot of the companies, the financial industry in particular, they're fighting it tooth and nail. They're saying that it ruins the culture. Culture does not happen in a building.
No.
Culture happens with people. We have remote and we have people can come in. And on Mondays, we do what's on your plate, all virtually. On Fridays, what's on your mind. 1 hour, tails. And everybody loves it. And so if people can get in, terrific. And if they can't, we don't hassle with it. It's here for you when you want to come in and have a reason to come in, but we're
Yeah.
not forcing it.